everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Jewelry Canada. Today we are going to turn these crochet charms into earrings. Now I have these available, the tutorial to make them, in my other YouTube channel. I'll put a link in the description, so be sure to check it out. So what we're going to need here is, of course, you're going to need your ear wires, you're going to need your tools, and I'm using two sizes of jump rings today. So I'm using a larger size, and we're going to use that to put it through one of the petals of my flower here. And then we're going to close that up. And then, depending on the direction, so see how this is this way and my earring is that way? That's why we need the small one. And it really is small, like it's quite small. Okay, so when you open them sideways, like I said before. We're just going to catch this one in there. And then we're going to catch our ear wire. Now these earrings are directional. If you were a crocheter, you would know that. But yeah, it is directional, so we want this to be the front where it's kind of scalloped there. Okay, and now we'll just, whoops, sorry. I'm going out of focus here. I don't know why. There we go. And then we're just gonna close this up. And this may be where you need a second pair of pliers. So we're gonna use that on here to grasp it, and then we just close it up. And once I close it up, I make sure I give it a squeeze so that I'm sure that it's nice and flush. And then I give it a squeeze this way. There we go, guys. You have just made a crocheted charm into an earring. So I hope you like that. Please hit the like and subscribe, and have a great day. Check that description. I put all kinds of goodies in the description. Thanks so much for watching. Bye now.